Hi, welcome to Kurt and Mingxia's Journey.
This is Kurt.
That's Mingxia. On this channel, we'd like to talk about how we go from full-time work to mostly full-time play.
We'll talk about how we prepare for retirement, what we are doing now, and what we will do in the future. On this episode, we'd like to share with you our recent RV camping trip to Boulder Creek. Boulder Creek is located in the heart of the Santa Cruz Mountain. It's about 3 hours away from home. We stayed at the Redwood Resort RV Campground. This campground has many big redwood trees and many nice amenities such as playfield, hot water shower, swimming pool, ping pong table, and badminton court. Jesus. Kurt and we played some ping pong. Then we walked to the Boulder Creek downtown, which is only about 5 minutes away. Next morning, we got up and drove to the nearby Cowell Redwood State Park. This state park has many trails, and we decided to take the Fall Creek and Lost Empire Trail Loop, which is about 9.5 miles long, and it is a hard trail. Yes.
110.
It's not that hot.
110.
finished the 9-mile loop in 4.5 hours. On Sunday morning, I dropped off Kurt to his motorcycle off-road training, and I drove to Big Basin Redwoods State Park for more hiking. The trails here are relatively flat and easy. Many trees have been burned multiple times, but they're still alive. Very impressive. I have learned that redwood trees can live up to 2,000 years. To pick up Kurt, his training is not done yet. Hey, how do you like it? Kurt's off-road training is done and we're going home. Redwood trees that live up to 2,000 years. We will document every trip and share with you. We'll also share with you our other hobbies.
If you like our videos, please hit the button and subscribe.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.